Okay, guys. Right now, what my man is doing, man, is pulling your spark plug out of, already pulled the core packs up, and then you just put the plugs in the same way you took them out, set your cores back down, bolt that back down, and then move over to the next one, which will be the air filter over on that side, okay? And that's how you put spark plugs in a 2012 Kia Sorento 4-cylinder engine. If you like this video, if you feel that it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share it. Till next time. Folks, they can handle it. Okay, guys. Once again, this is Shop Talk. Okay?
It's not the name of the shot of the disease. The name of the disease is SARS-2.
Just like that.
They had SARS-1,
Yes.
and now it's SARS-2.
No lab rats.
Yeah, SARS-2 was developed. I better not say it on the lab, but look, SARS-2 was designed. It's actually it's chemical warfare. They kill people. Now, SARS-2, they named it COVID-19. It's a code name. It's a military code name.
Yeah.
It means Certificate of Vaccination. ID. And number 19 is for artificial intelligence. A is the first alphabet number in the alphabet. 9 is the I. Artificial intelligence. It's a COVID-19 is a code name for this project. Now you're part of the project. Everybody that gets vaccinated is part of the project that they're studying because it has never been used on a human being.
See?
Now,
So
there's particles.
It's experimental drug.
It's experimental drug. Now I'll give you my background, for instance. I studied biomedical engineering, so I know something about science. I know what books to go to, and I know who to talk to when it comes down to stuff like this. They were working on this science way before the virus ever hit the market or came out in the public. Matter of fact, some of the universities were studying on what to do if people get these viruses. Because there came a period in time.
So what you said, they was working on ahead of time.
It's on.
Yeah.
They were working on ahead of time.
Right.
So they really,
Yeah. That's
they
right.
knew it
You in
was
there?
coming.
You in there?
They knew it was coming.
And they wanted to be ready for it.
No, they was trying to find out what to do with it if somebody gets it.
The cure.
Right. But not the cure. Because
So what
that
you
ain't the
said, they
plan.
can't cure it.
No, the plan. Okay, all the funds that they gave for the stimulus thing,
Yeah.
most of it didn't even go to the virus, to people with the virus.
Gangster.
It went to other things.
Yeah, like rent
Shit.
and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Blood-blowing shit to kill you.
Because they want you to take the vaccination for other reasons.
What's the reasons? I mean, you say they want you to take it for other reasons. Give me.
Yeah. See, when
Give me a reason why you think they will want you to take it.
Okay.
That's what I think of.
No, not population control.
That's what COVID
That's one thing now. That's she right about that?
Oh, is that right? Okay.
Yeah.
Population control.
And they started coming out with the vaccines because they was killing
They
off
killed
their
so many
people that they wasn't intending on killing.
Well,
That's how I look
but
at
in
it.
this case,
Okay.
anybody can go down. In this case.
That's right. Anybody can go down. That's why.
Anybody can go
That's
down
right.
In this case, because in this case, it's the what they call the establishment, which runs the governments throughout the world. It's their project, and in their project, they want to cut down.
So
the
what
amount
you
of people
said, they
on
put
Earth.
it out here.
Huh?
They put it out here
Yeah.
to cut down the population.
That could be one reason, but another reason is that the virus, even though it looked like clear, like vodka in a glass, it's clear, but it make you drunk. Well, the nanoscience is when they take something to the micro They say that like a number to the -9, that means 9 zeros
Yeah.
to the negative. It's so small that the eye can't see it.
So you got to use a back of glass.
Huh?
A glass.
What now?
You got to use a
Magnify.
Yeah,
No.
something really deeper than hard.
Scope.
Really
A
deep.
scope.
Yeah, to see.
You
The
gotta use a
particles.
scope.
Yeah, the particles is deep. So the problem is, one of the problems is what they did with the particles. They had to put something in your body that will make it last. You know, so it's like if they had to use like a mercury or something
they blow it up.
to put
You
it
can see
inside. Now to put it in there, so it can, so the thing, whatever they put in there, will stay in your body. So like once you get this vaccine, it'll never come out of your body.
So what
It has
you-
some
what
small
you-
particles in there that you
What you
can't see.
saying, regardless, if you get the shot, it's still in your body.
Yeah,
They can't get rid of it. It's still in your body.
Yeah.
It's like a pneumonia. Once you get pneumonia, you take the shot, you get rid of the symptoms of it, but the pneumonia is still in you.
yeah, right.
That's what you say.
Yeah. So this is
Okay.
like the guy who came up with these ideas, you know, with Bill Gates and some more scientists, right?
Yeah.
Now, Bill Gates is not a scientist.
No, he ain't. He ain't.
Yeah, he's a computer man, right?
Yeah.
Come on.
So what he's doing with your body is what they do with computers. When they,
That's okay.
if you get a virus in your body, can you get the virus out? Most of the times you can't. Some viruses you can get out,
Some you can't.
but some viruses you can't, right?
Some can't.
Yeah. So they made for the human body a virus, I mean a chemical that can go in your body just like a computer.
Well, you look familiar.
Like you putting something in.
That's like what you call that? It's a dye.
Don't know call.
Huh?
They can put a dye in your body.
They put that in
They
there,
put
right?
it- They flush with that dye that show you
So they can see. They can see something in your body.
Yeah.
The X-ray. all
It's
this
like
stuff.
a dye.
Okay, something similar to that.
Yeah.
So they put this in your body.
You a Max?
Maurice and Kenny's little brother.
Yeah, and they
We family, bro.
So what happens is once you get the your 2 shots, you have to have a booster all the time because that keeps what they doing generating in you.
I don't know, cause once I take my second one, I'm through with it.
No, that's what they tell you. They gonna tell you later. That's what they do.
So what you saying? After I take my second one, eventually I'm gonna take a booster to keep
Yeah.
it up.
Now, did you sign some papers when you took it?
Yeah.
What did they say?
No, they just so the paper that I signed said I would take my first shot.
No, but what? It's some small writing. It's some small writing on there that you didn't read. Did you read the whole thing?
No, I read it. They said the first said it just content that I take my first shot.
Okay. Now, on that paper that you signed,
Wait a
it
minute.
says-
No, there's another paper they gave me I didn't read.
Yeah. Oh, see there.
There's another one. There's another one I
When
didn't
did they
read.
give you the paper?
I know how to get a copy of that.
Yeah. When did they
Send the information.
give you the paper to sign?
So it's sending the
The
information back.
11th
It's not
of
legal,
last
you know,
month.
I'm saying, did they give it to you when you took the shot? Before you took the
But
shot?
that was before I took it.
Okay. Now after you
But
took
they
the
gave
shot.
me another after I took the first one. They
Okay.
gave me another one.
Okay. So
That's
you.
been a week ago.
Okay. So now when you take the shot, you have to fill out these forms. Why do you fill out these forms when you take a shot? You're not just filling out a regular form that you would if you took the flu shot.
But see, they didn't give us no form right now.
Got that other car was gonna start.
Yeah, they did. They gave you some. You said
No,
you didn't read
no,
it.
they gave me one sheet of paper with my name on the bottom. They ain't give us no form to fill out. They don't do that.
I'm talking about for the shot.
Just sign your name at the bottom.
Okay.
But see, there's another form they gave us like a week ago.
Okay.
But it didn't have no sign, no name, or nothing like just read it.
But why is it's not running?
You don't sign nothing.
And you just read it.
Just read it.
Okay.
You ain't got no signature, got no signature sign.
You
or
know
nothing
what?
Like that.
I'm gonna tell you what. If you would have did this, they wouldn't even let you take a shot.
I mean,
If you would have went in there with a paper
Make sure you get the other two goals.
that you had, now listen, if you went in there with some paper that you say you had notarized
I gave you
from a lawyer.
I sent it to you on your phone.
You went in there and said, I got this paper notarized from a lawyer,
So when he get out, just tell him.
saying that if something happens to me, y'all gotta pay me.
Yeah, but what I'm
If
saying.
something happened to me, or you gotta pay my family, or something like that, they would tell you to get lost, get out of there.
Well, see, this right here, doing that, and you know, if you on dialysis, that's they ain't gonna look at it like that.
No, they not gonna give you what you
look at it like
they
that.
gonna tell you they saving your life.
And you know, like I said, I waited till the woman that works out there, she's over everybody.
Yeah.
She took hers. I said, I'm gonna wait till you get through, see how you gonna react. Which I say everybody's system is different. The way they take it.
Yeah.
Some people had took it, got sick. Some people had took it and passed away.
Now the ones that
But when I
passed
took
away,
mine, only way I felt any pain, if I took my hands here like this here, I felt pain. Outside that, I ain't feel where they stuck with a needle.
yeah.
So
Well, good, I hope you do okay. I pray for you.
yeah, this right here come on the 12th of this month, and I'm gonna see how it goes.
Yeah.
I got to see how it
Well,
goes.
I'm gonna pray for you.
It's damn if you do, damn if you don't.